Hello guys, welcome to this Java tutorial for beginners. In our today's video, we will talk about object class in Java and also understand the toString method of object class. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now let us look at the Oracle documentation for object class. So here you can see that it states that the class object is the root of class hierarchy. That is, every class will have object as its superclass, right? And now if I scroll down, you can see a list of methods of our object class. So we have this clone, equals, finalize, get class, hash code, notify all, toString, wait, and so on, right? So in our today's video, we will just look at the toString method of object class and how to override the default implementation of toString method, right? Now, if you look at this program, you can see that we have class A that extends our object class, and then we have our class B that extends our class A. So according to the Java documentation, every top class extends the object class. All right. And even if I remove this extends object, then also our program will run successfully, right? So let me run this program and we should not have any compilation errors. So let me compile and execute the program. So let me run it. And here you can see the program executed successfully. And here you must have noted one thing, that even though I did not create any object class, then also I was able to, create the object of our object class, because this object class is implicitly imported by Java. Now let us understand toString method of object class in Java. So here I have a class A, and inside that I have created this constructor which sets the value of this integer variable I, right? And inside the main method I have created the object of our class A and simply printed the reference variable A, right? So now let me run this program. Now let me compile and execute the program. So let me run it. And here you can see we have the output which is of not much importance to us. We have this A @ and some hexadecimal values, right? So this is nothing but the string representation of our object, and by default the object class uses the toString method to print this kind of outputs. Now if you want to access some meaningful information about the objects, then you must need to override the default implementation of toString method of object class. And the signature of toString method is public string toString, right? And inside the body we have this return and the string which we want to return. And in this case we are returning this number plus the value of our variable I. And inside the main method I have this two objects of our class A, right? And I will print this reference variables. All right. So let me compile and execute the program now. Now let me compile and execute the program. So let me run it. And here you can see we have some valuable information. So we have this number and then the value of our I variable, which is 2. And similarly for the output which is printed below. So that is it for the today's video. And don't forget to subscribe for more Java programming videos like this. And I will see you until next time.